It is Friday, September 22nd, and I just got home, and a box was waiting for me. And it is the keychron, Tron, a Tickle Me Elmo keyboard. So, it was like $35 on Amazon, and it was a specialty keychron special deal, exclusive with the Amazons. I've wanted to experiment with this, and this was a cheap way of getting into it. So let's just unbox it and see what it is. So there's some details for later. It's in a nice foamy case thingy. Oh, this is a terrible place to open, especially with one hand. Has a key puller. Has an USB-C. Has some replacement keys for the red ones. Oh, it's heavy. It's got some girth, some weight, some heft to her. Let's take it from its protective slider. Just a quick once around. There's the ooze pull. There's the clicker clacker uppers. Plastic construction. But it's hefty for some reason. No inputs or switches. All is done with the keysy bits on the tops. I believe this is the Browns. It doesn't say. So it's mechanical, but it's not super crazy loud. I'm happy with that. So the USB plugs in. It's got these little shark wings to make it so that this particular thing will stay stuck inside. C3PO. And here we are. Little plug-in ski action. Oh, USB superposition, I bet. Oh, no, I got it on the second try. Oh, it lights up. Nice. So we'll just do a comparison. I mean, you really can't tell what it feels like, but, I got the old notepads up, and, great, that's typing there. And that's typing there. It's definitely more clacky. I would say there's much more tactile feedback. I can definitely tell where my fingers are at easier. I don't know how that's possible. These are a little bit, they feel like they're a little bit tighter together, which is, I guess, not surprising because this is a tickle and that's a full sneeze. Okay, great. And by default, this is in Windows mode, and you can change it by doing the function and the Mac Windows key. All right, and it supports VIA remapping, so you can download VIA and do that. And then I have no idea what the layers are because I don't have a switch. I don't have anything that says layers on it. There's nothing that says layers. So this number 3 is just slightly confusing. Function Q turns off or changes the lighting. I can't do this with two hands, with one hand. Okay, there's a lot of functions. You can just watch a video. This one lights up when you type, which is cool. This is like hacker mode, where it's like the whole keyboard lights up when you type, flash. And I think most importantly is the ability to turn the stupid lights off. So it's function tab. Great. Not going to turn those back on again. And then what else we have? We can adjust the brightness. We don't need that because we don't want them on. We don't want Cortana or Siri. What is this? The key rollover. Okay, so by default, I guess it can support up to 6 keys at once. So if I just press like all of them, what does it do? I guess it gets confused. Oh, what's that? I have no idea how I typed a smiley face. Actually, I think he's got his tongue out. Needless to say, that doesn't seem to make a difference. It makes a bonk noise. So if I do function, what key is that? Function N, like that, I should theoretically be able to do. Oh, so now it's only in 6 key mode because I can only do. I don't have enough fingers. Interesting. I liked it better before, where I could do more. Okay, that's rollover, and then unplug it. Great. I actually decided I like the lights on a little bit. With the lights completely off, it's kind of hard to see the keys. But I turned the brightness down, so that's function S or W to get it up and down in this. And that's the Keychron C3 Pro 10 key mechanical tickle me Elmo keyboard. It's in red. Enjoy.